Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams is very simple to use. Let's learn how to answer a Teams mobile native dialer call, uplift a call to the Teams mobile app, uplift a call to the Teams desktop client. Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams is a Microsoft Teams phone mobile solution that lets you use your Verizon wireless mobile number as your Teams phone number, enabling you to be more productive wherever work takes you. Once your mobile number is connected to Microsoft Teams, you can make and receive calls from any active Teams endpoint, including PCs, tablets, desk phones, and smartphones. You can also uplift or move calls from the smartphone's native dialer or keypad to the Teams mobile app, transfer calls to the Teams mobile app or desktop app, and view your call history and voicemails. Let me show you how it works. While on the go, you receive a call from your customer. The call rings directly on your smartphone and on any active Teams endpoints, including your PC, laptop, and desk phone. When you answer the call, Teams automatically updates your presence on your Teams app and desktop client to show that you are on a call. With Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams, you can easily move or uplift a call started natively on your mobile device to Microsoft Teams via the Teams mobile app. Simply launch the Teams mobile app on your mobile device. You will be prompted to uplift or move the call to Teams. Select the Move Call to Teams button to continue the call in Teams. Once you've moved the call to Teams, you can share your screen, turn on video, and chat, creating a richer collaboration experience. You can also move a call started natively on your mobile device to the Teams desktop client on your desk phone, PC, or laptop. When you answer an incoming call on your mobile phone, the following banner will appear across the top of your desktop app. You're in a call with +1 number on another device. Want to join this one? Select Join. To uplift or transfer the call from your mobile phone to the desktop client, a separate window will pop up where you can select Transfer to this device. The last step is to click Join Now to complete the transfer. As you can see, the call has been moved from the mobile phone to the desktop client. We have just shown how easy it is to start using Verizon Mobile for Microsoft Teams. We are confident that you will find it simple to use.